Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2002 Gmc Yukon Key Fob. Start with the key in the ignition and the driver door closed, then cycle the ignition between off and run positions 5 times ending in run. Press the lock button on the fob within 10 seconds to program it. Repeat for additional fobs and test remotely from several feet away to confirm reliability. I will walk you through each step in a calm, practical way so you can do this at home. After cycling the ignition 5 times, press the lock button and wait for the vehicle to respond with a chime or lock pulse. If you have multiple fobs, program them in the same session so the system stores all codes. If a fob fails, try fresh batteries or repeat the sequence slowly and deliberately. If programming fails, stay patient and check common issues first. Swap in a new battery and confirm the key fob buttons feel normal. Verify the vehicle locks and unlocks with the key in the door to exclude actuator faults. If the car shows electrical problems or the process never triggers a chime, a dealer or locksmith with a scan tool can perform a relearn or diagnose module faults to restore remote function.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.